Okay, so we are going to use Illustrator and Photoshop to create an ad. It's like a postcard ad. First, I have this picture, so I'm going to use Photoshop to open it. Desktop. Okay. And as we all know, for the print, we need to be the CMYK color. So we come to the image mode and change this to CMYK. And we see image size. This one I need to be 300 dpi, which is a standard for the industry. I want to have 7.5, 5.5, okay. The height is 5.5 inches, so because it's a length, the width is automatically changed to the proportional width. And say OK. And we say save as. We give a name, car background. This one is a JPEG. We need to save another version, which is a PSD, which is a Photoshop and desktop. Then we come to Illustrator, come to New, 7 is a width, 5 is a height. We give a bleed 0.125 and the color is CMYK and is 300 dpi. We say OK. And the file, please, desktop. We place this PSD file here. Say OK. And we need to embed this. We need to shrink this picture, shrink the size down to fit. And then I'm coming here to open another file which has the logo. Close that. Close this. So I'm coming here. Look for the logo I'm going to use. Okay, that is the logo. I just double click it. It's AI file in Illustrator, Apple C, and copy it there, Apple V. So I'm coming here, I need this skyline, select that, Apple C, paste here. Okay, so this image can be shrink down more. Going to push this a little bit. Okay, close to here. Shrink it down to fit into the area. And if we want to change this logo color, it's very easy. You just select it and double click the toolbar and select the white and hold down your mouse and arrange bring to font. I'm going to shrink this logo down here. Going to use a gradient. Going to create a rectangle too. The gradient color, opacity going to become 0. It's going to be the white. So I want this to be white as well. So I want this to become gradient, and then to send to select the both images and say send to back. This become the gradient image here. Okay. And then I'm going to create a rectangle, using a rectangle to create a box here. Going to add slogan. Going to change this color to yellow. Going to see our next graduate. And shift. Become our next graduate. Okay, then I'm going to add a rounded rectangle. Going to create a stroke. Stroke color should be the same. Okay. Going to add some text here. Select this area 14 degree and certificate. Design, medical, etc. So you can change the lighting. Click this character, change the lighting, make it bigger. Going to say 20, okay, 20 pt. You can change the text color. $25, 100, 125. Okay. And here I'm going to add more text. Click here and say call us 718. The phone number. Okay, after you're done with this, and like we said, you always should save as an AI file, give a name, and also you need to save a PDF file which you send to the printer. But before you do that, like I said, you need to select all the text. Command A is to select all of them, and Command Shift O is to outline them. Okay, so this way we can avoid missing font. And save file, save as desktop, PDF, and say save, and always say high quality print, and mark and bleed, trim mark, and bleed, use bleed setting, and save PDF. So we're going to see here, look, there is the trim mark created, okay, and has a 0.125 bleeds all the way around. Okay, that's the basic how we are going to use Illustrator and Photoshop to create a postcard flyer. Okay.